guys, welcome back to my channel and say hello to my cold sore. Apparently I just love shooting videos with no makeup on lately. I'm sorry. Today I just wanted to share with you my nighttime skincare routine because I just realized that I have never shown you, and I mean people do it differently, so I wanted to show you what I like to do. And I added an extra step in here that I don't do every day, but since my skin is acting up because I'm traveling and I'm not eating as healthy as I should, or as I mostly do when I'm at home, my skin is just like breaking havoc. It's just like I'm breaking out all over. Like my forehead is just full of pimples, and then I'm wearing the mask. I'm getting breakouts around my mouth. I'm getting cold sores. It's just awful. But anyways, I don't vary too much what I do, whether if I'm like at home or traveling, because my skin likes routine. It likes to like stick to the steps that I do every day, and that's just how it looks better. So that's what I try to do. Sometimes, like, some people might think it's a lot of products, but again, if that works for my skin, that's gonna make me feel comfortable and we can move on and be happy. So let's rewind and show you the routine. that's it. I hope you like this video. I linked all of the products that I use on this routine below, and I also have added links for the blog post of the reviews that I've done. Please like, comment, and subscribe because I post videos every week. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Now let me go to bed. Good night.